Hello, hello, this is Kara, and I have another Your Creative Studio unboxing and project. And this one is from the Bake Unbox. I'll have to check which month it is, but it's Bake. It has an 11, so it might have been from the November. I'm not totally sure. I'll check for you though. So let me take all the stuff out and we'll dig in. All right, first up, this really cool box that says vintage and has all these fun 50s images. So let's see what's in here. Looks like vellum stickers, very cool. We have cakes, milk, very fun. Oh, this is this. Some paper. Be great for a retro picnic journal even. But a retro journal, oh that's fun for summer. And then we have these little stickers. That's fun with the oven. And the cooking and all the yummy stuff. Love that one. Oh my goodness, this is fun. I love the retro stuff. Cute. I should find some retro baking images that I can use and make a kit, huh? To go with these fun pictures. Alright, so that is first thing. Quite a few pieces in here. Does it say? I don't see. I don't know. All right, and then we also have, what is this? A stamp. That's fun. On a wood block with a serving platter. And then we have some washi tape. That's fun. The fun gingham. It's all grungy gingham. That's really cool. Perfect for summer. Would also go with the the retro picnic. And there's this one, which is also a wood stamp. And it looks like a cheesecake. Yum. Yum, yum. Alright, and then we have this little pad. I think it says time machine. Oh, those are really fun. Are these stickers? I think they're stickers. Oh yeah, they're stickers. They're washi stickers. Yeah, perfect. That's really cool. And there's all different fairies, advertising, different images. Art Nouveau, is that how you say it? Cool. Dog all dressed up. Vintage, retro, really cool. Baking. There we go. Cute. Alright, and then we have this one that has some baked goods. Has a pretzel on the front. And these are stickers. Croissants, baguettes. I don't know what that is. Don't know what that is either. Buns, ooh, churros, pretzels. Makes you want to have lunch. Yum. These are great. Those are a lot of fun. And you get a bunch of those. Okay. And then there's also this pine branch. So the oranges. Yeah, I'm thinking this was a November kit because of the color scheme. I guess I didn't need to do that. Looks like there's 30 pieces. Oranges are also fun for spring. There's mushrooms and flowers, like the variety, some tickets and plans, little words, sweet scented, some papers. This is a different paper with texture, some circles. This one has texture too. Is this a sticker? No, there's two of them. Some tags. Tickets and tags, all sorts of fun things. There's little mushrooms, very cool. Those are perfect for layering up and making little clusters. All right, and then there's the decoupage paper. It has a chef's hat, it looks like. Several sheets in there. A baguette, chef's hat, cutting board, flour scooper, wheat. Really cool. I'm not going to try to put that back in right now. Then we have these rolling pins. I like those. Those are fun. And then there's the stamp set with a chef. Bake the world a better place. That's cute. And like little mixing tools. Food memories. That's cool. That'd be great for memory keeping. And then we have this one that says rub-on transfer stickers. Oh, fun. We love the rub-ons. Let's see. Oh, and there's several sheets. And they give you the thing to rub, or you can use a bone folder too. Those are pretty with the flowers. Refrigerator. Very Danish looking. Cute. Those are fun. So it looks like 3 sheets. And they're all different. And then this one has a lot of papers in it. I always love this, the packaging. You can always use that. So there's papers. Ooh, these are pretty. That's cute. Very cute. Oh, that's pretty. So this feels like a thicker paper than the first one. So there's one in the thicker, thinner, and then I bet there's vellum. Are they stickers? Oh, yeah, they're stickers. That's cool. Sticker, and then there's vellum. Oh, I love the vellum. So you get it in different styles. That's really cool. Awesome. All right, so that's the baking kit, and I'm gonna go think about what I'm gonna make with all the fun things. All right, I'll be back. All right, I am back, and I think I'm gonna make a little mini journal using the papers that were in the box, and I'm going to use this as my cover. So I don't want this part showing. So one of the cool things is the papers have, this one has, I think it's a sticker, yep. So I'm going to use this to cover up the stuff on the page. Try and center it best I can. And then I'm going to fold this in half. Sorry, the dogs are walking around trying to decide who just gets to lay down where. Yeah. All right, and then I have several papers fold. I'm just going to fold these in half. And let's see, do I need to trim? I might trim a little bit off the top and the bottom. Just a little bit more. Yeah, that'll be good. A little bit more on that side. Yeah, I like it. All right. let's see. I'm gonna put this one first. And then that one. And that one. Do we want any more? Backgrounds, I could put the sticker on the other side. So like for this one, and just getting it lined up will be the tricky part. I'm trying to get the backing off the sticker. Oh, I almost had it. There we go. See if I can do this. Get it lined up. Close-ish, so I can trim. But then this can go like that, and then it looks like the full page. That's kind of fun. Trim that in just a second. So yeah, there's that and that. Yeah. All right. I think I'm going to do easy peasy way, and I'm going to run this down my sewing machine and just do a stitch through there. I'll be right back. All right, did my stitching down the middle. If I can find the middle, where'd it go? Right there. And then I left a little bit of strings on the top. And now I can decorate using the other fun goodies. And I wanted to try out these stamps. Get out my archival. And these would be fun. This little mini journal would be really fun to toss in a larger baking journal. I think that'd be fun. So let's try this rolling pin. Oh yeah, very nice. Let's do another one down here. Perfect. No. As a trick, here. Roll these. This one. Here. Got it. So those are those stamps. Sample on this coffee dyed paper, just so you can see what they look like. Yep, very nice. Yeah, there. Cute. All right. So now let's see what else. All right, have some things that I'm wanting to use. So now let's go through and kind of get an idea. This might be kind of fun as a little belly band for a tuck, since we have this and this here. Oops. And then I have some of these baked goods that we can kind of add to the front. And I trimmed, there's like a white little rim around all of these, so I trimmed those off. Yeah. This can go like here, but let's add something to this. How about this big? Oh, that's too big. That'll work. We can kind of trim that off. And these are the washi stickers I pulled out from the vintage pack. Trim. You can slide in right there. I think I'm going to put this like this and make this a corner tuck. Like that, and then I'll glue this. It can be a tuck spot. Tuck one of these guys in. It's really a sticker, but I think it makes a cute little tuck. Let's add some washi. I'm going to staple this on as well. And then should we make another pocket? Let's put this one down here. Maybe in the middle is a pocket. This should fit. And I can decorate this. I'm going to rip. I'm just going to put a little glue back here like that. Trim off this right in here. That's fun. Yeah. And then we can slide this piece in. Will fit. Yep. And my little circle so someone could use it later. Now let's just take a look. Okay, let's do a little flip through. So I remembered that I had the rub-ons, so I went back and I did some rub-ons and they went on really nicely. I only had one, let me show you this one back here, that didn't go on so well, but everything else, like even this big one, went on really well. So I don't know, maybe it's just that one. Like this, I added these rub-ons, isn't that cute? So yeah, I went through and added some rub-ons. Where did I put them? I mainly do the cover, and I added one here, and that one, and then I put her right there. I think she looks cute there. I think that was it. So yeah, I just added mainly the ones on the cover plus some washi tape. So yeah, really fun to make this little journal that you can then tuck into a bigger baking journal if you wanted. Or this would be cute friend mail too, if you had like a baking theme friend mail. All right, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderfully crafty day. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.